Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and after that write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, click enter or press on it. Right here at the right top we have a device and we need to click on it. If you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top and you also press on it. Right here you need to select Bluetooth, and after that first we need to turn on the speaker, and to do this at the top we have power button. You just press one time on it and we just turn on it. After that, if the speaker do not connect it with another devices, it will enter to operating mode automatically and you will see that the device list. But also we can enter to operating mode manually by press one time at the Bluetooth button, located here to the power button. Especially because this speaker supports dual connection, so you need to know how to enter operating mode manually. And right here, this is our speaker. This Windows have some problem. That's why we can see. Oh, okay. Now that's okay. So you just press on it. And then you click Done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!